Here in this video, we are going to explore how to access the elements in the key pair that is generated when we do a random key pair generate. There are a few other imports here that you can see. We'll be exploring that in the next video. There is save key pair to file. There is get key pair, that is get a key pair from a file, and testing mnemonics. We'll be exploring what they are in the future video. Now here the key pair has been generated and saved to key pair. We are doing a simple console log. This is what we have already seen. Now we do key pair public key. We have seen this. We have also seen let me do a simple. Yeah. Yeah. So we did this key pair.secret key, and we did a log key pair.public key in the previous video. The different thing that we are doing here is we are doing a 2 base 58 for the public key, and we are doing a base encode bs58 encode key pair.secret key, and we are doing a bs58 encode key pair.secret key dot slice 32. Now we discussed that bs58 takes a uint 8 array and then converts it into base 58. And for the public key, this we can simply use 2 base 58, but that is not available for the secret key. We'll just look at the type of public key. You can see here when we do a key pair.public key, the return type is a public key. But if we do the same for secret key, the return type is a uint array. So hence because of the type that is returned, we cannot apply the same methods to secret key and public key. Now doing a simple BS encode is going to give us BS58 encoded secret key, but it's not going to look similar. That is, the last 32 bits are not going to look similar to the public key because of the way this encoding works. So we'll be doing a slice 32. We'll be slicing out only the last elements of the uint array and then converting and then encoding into base 58, and that is going to match to the result that is console log from this public key dot to base 58. That is why we have all these. We'll just be we'll do a yarn ts node and hopefully it runs. Yeah, so so we see the first line here, key pair generated, and then we see the key pair as we had seen last time, 60 142 90 60 142 90 at the end of secret key as well, matching. Then we do this, but then we see this line, access the key pair elements and methods, and right below it we see key pair.public key directly console logged. Here we saw this number, which is the base 58 encoding of this array here with the 32 elements, and this big bn, this happens to be the hex code of the same number. This is not this is private, so we cannot use it, but when we console log it this way, this shows up. Moving on, we discussed that the type of the public key is this public key type, so the to base 58 method is accessible, and hence doing that gives us this number. This number is console logged right here. You can see it's the same. After that, we do a direct console log of the secret key. The secret key matches the one we saw in the total console log. So you can see 60, 142 and 90 matching this one, 60, 142 and 90. This number got console logged here. And you can see the type uint 8 array 64 elements. Now the line right below it is the BS58 encoding. It is the BS58 encoding of the whole secret key. You can see this is significantly longer than the public key that was that we console logged as base 58 as its base 58 representation, because it has 64 bytes. And this, as you can see, is the output from keypair.secretkey.slice 32. So we are slicing out the last 32 elements, and then we are encoding it to base 58 using BS58, because even after we slice, and the type of this slice is going to be uint 8 array, so we'll need to use the BS58 encode. And this HG da da da, and it ends with G73, happens to be matching with HGJ here and G73, the public key. I'll just console log it again. We'll do a console log again. Yeah, so you see here, this part is the public key, bz da 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 da, and this is the private key, bz and 7fx. That's all. Thank you.